How to fix Instagram feed not showing you posts on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram feed not showing you posts on Android phone. First thing, just open settings, scroll down until you find apps, and then apps again, go to Instagram, and now just click this one here for stop, and now go to this one here, data usage, and this one, background data and Wi-Fi. Maybe we'll find this one like this and enable it, or enable this one, enable all of those here, and then just go back, go to storage, clear cache, and then scroll down, go to system and updates, and then software updates. Now just update your phone, and if there is any update, just update your phone, and then just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.